Hello everyone, let's solve question 48 of GATE paper CS1 2025. Which one of the following predicate logic formulae is our correct representation of the statement? Everyone has exactly one mother. The meaning of the predicates used are mother y comma x, y is the mother of x, note q y, x comma y, x and y are not equal, not eq. No, not note q, not eq. So in order to solve this question, let's understand the predicate logic basics. Predicates are the properties or relations about objects. Here, mother y comma x means y is the mother of x. Quantifiers. So what are quantifiers? So this implies like for all x, and this implies there exists an x. Okay. So these are some quantifiers, and logical connectives are also there. So we need to know this is and, this is or, this is not, and this means implies. There are some equalities also which we can consider equality, non-equality. Here not eq x comma y means x and y are not equal. Statement which we want to represent everyone has exactly one mother. This can be broken into two parts. For every person X existence, for every person X, there exists at least one mother Y such that mother of Y comma X is true. So formally, I can write there exist for every person X, for all X, there exists a mother Y such that, such that mother of Y comma X, meanings Y is a mother of X. Or like mother of X comma Y is uniqueness. For every person X, if there is any other person Z who is also mother of X, then Z must be the same as Y. So for every person X and every person Y and every person Z, if mother of Y comma X and if Y is mother of X and Z is also mother of X, then this implies that Y is equal to Z. Both are the same people. In distinct world, no two distinct individual can both be the mother of the same person X. Okay. Representing uniqueness using inequality predicate. Since the problem given is not EQ x comma y, meaning x and y are not equal, uniqueness can be expressed. So if z is not equal to y, then z cannot be mother of x. Okay. So for every x, there exists a mother y so there exists a y such that mother of y is the mother of x, and for every z not eq, x, z and y are not equal, implies that implies z is not mother of x. This is not sign mother of z comma x. This means z is not mother of x. Formally, exact quantification. Exactly one means there is at least one mother and at most one mother. Exact quantification. Both captured together into form. So option A, what does option A says? Option A says that there for every x there exists y and z such that y is mother of x and z is not mother of x. This does not say anything about uniqueness. It just says that there exists some mother Y and some other person Z who is not a mother. That is always true if the domain has at least one non-mother person. So A is incorrect basically. Option B. Option B says for every X there exists a Y that says that Y who is a mother of X, and for every Z, Z is not equal to Y. This implies that Z is not a mother of X. This exactly captures the existence and uniqueness of the mother of X. So B is a correct option. Option C. For every X, for every X and every Y, if Y is a mother of X, then there exists a Z such that Z is mother of X and Z equals Y. Since not equal of Z comma Y means Z is not equal of Z comma Y means Z is not equal to Y. So if I write this not and then not equal, it actually means equal. So not equal, again it is not so opposite of that. So it means equal. Z comma Y means Z is equal to Y. So हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं. This says if Y is mother of X, then there exists Y, which is trivial. It does not say anything about uniqueness or existence properly. So it's not completely representation of exact one mother. C seems incorrect. Option D. For every X, there exists a Y who is a mother of X, and there is no other person Z. Like not exist person Z such that uh, Z and Y, no person Z different from Y who is a mother of X. Okay. This also captures the existence and uniqueness of mother of X. D is correct. Option D is correct. So how you will write this? Like you can see, not equal of Z comma Y means Z and Y are not equal, and Z and X are not equal. So there is no other person Z. It does not exist. Okay. So existence and uniqueness combined means exactly one mother for everyone. A misses uniqueness, option A, and option C does not properly capture the existence or uniqueness. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. The correct answers are already mentioned. So we checked every single option. Option B and option D correctly captured this already. So that's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.